Hi everyone, Kavanveer is at the dentist appointment.
What you did? Oh, that if anything like falls out, it'll just go to this.
Yeah, it's like a bib. Remember
It's
you have a
like
bib? Harjan panda na me idda.
So we don't make your shirt dirty.
Yeah. So your shirt isn't dirty. My basketball. I don't want that.
What?
That.
It's just a brush. Remember Paji they only clean kitte hai. Paji, show your teeth.
Huh?
Show your teeth.
See how shiny they are?
That's tasty.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that.
Yeah, that's okay.
No, nothing funny.
Yeah, Paji, nothing's funny. Just sit down.
You want different glasses?
I got.
You do?
Yeah. So you're just relaxing now. Yeah.
Lego glasses.
Oh wow, look at that Kavanveer. You got cool glasses.
That's tidy.
Yeah.
All right.
They match your shirt as well.
You want to go on a ride?
What do you do now?
See? She's gonna count your teeth now. How many teeth Kavanveer has?
How many teeth do you think you have? I have 100.
100?
Yeah.
Oh, I
No
think you don't
way,
have any
Kavi.
teeth. How about that?
I see.
You see teeth?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. So this is my counters. 1, 2, 3, you know?
She's gonna count with that, okay?
Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. You got good teeth in here. Oh, who brushes your teeth? Mommy does?
No.
Yeah, I did.
You do? Oh, you do good job. Oh my goodness. You got definitely a lot of teeth, but not 100 teeth. Sorry.
Not 100. How many you think he has?
Only 20.
20 teeth? Wow.
That's how many. That's what I guessed. And my guess was
Alright,
right.
I'm just going to count again. Make sure there's nothing on the teeth, okay?
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi.
Oh, you're not doing that good job brushing. Look at all that sugar bugs. You been eating candy?
Yeah, no.
He ate so much ice cream in New York.
Oh my God.
Because usually ice cream truck comes in New York, and he really loves ice cream trucks. So,
And you had the softy ice cream?
Yeah,
Mr.
Mr.
Soft.
Softy.
But it doesn't come much on our house in Burlington, so
I know. There's certain things that does not happen here.
he always gets the vanilla ice cream with rainbow sprinkles, and I always get the chocolate
Can you
ice
put
cream.
your ice cream out of my way? So you had all this ice cream
Yeah,
I'm taking out.
Kavanveer ate ice cream every single day. We were there for a week.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
It's like me going to India and eating pani puri every day.
Yeah. Kavanveer is being such a good boy. I'm so proud of you, Kavanveer.
Probably put your glasses on.
It's okay, come here.
You're doing good. Just make sure you reach the back molars, okay, hon? You got big teeth. Look at all the sugar bugs.
Mm.
That's not
He
good.
just ate peanuts.
Yep, that didn't
Right,
help.
Kavi?
You're eating all my favorite food.
You had to eat pizza.
Oh, I like pizza too.
Yeah, he heard that. Remember when you were asking Kavanveer?
Yeah, I know.
I have pizza too. I like pizza.
Yeah.
Kavanveer loves pizza.
Yes. Now my kids are not home, so I don't make as much.
Hmm.
जब बच्चे थे तो वो बोलते मम्मा आप बना दो पिज्जा खाना है.
Kavanveer orders now. Mama, make this, make that.
What are you doing now?
I'm still counting.
She's still counting. She's not done yet. She's so slow, right?
I know. Well, you got a lot of teeth.
Yeah, maybe 100. Maybe you got mistake, right?
Yeah.
So So she made mistake when she was counting. It's not 20, might be 100. Kavanveer is
Yeah.
right, I guess.
Yeah, they're so tiny, so I guess
Yeah.
I confused them all connected together.
Yeah, you need to count them again. But this time you better be careful.
Uh-oh. Mommy's giving me a warning. I better get your teeth right, right? And just floss, honey, okay? A little bit. Mommy will help you floss.
Kavanveer loves to floss.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Do you floss 2 teeth at once? Like my son used to do? No. Yeah,
But he hasn't flossed for a while. We were not here, so it's just
Yeah.
like, you know.
yeah, that's why we see the build up. you
Yeah.
know?
It was
Oh,
just New York trips back and forth. So this time we were there for a week. We just came back yesterday.
Usually we do it for 3 days, but this time is very different.
Yeah, I know. I was there in actually New Jersey Memorial Day weekend, but I was there for 5 days.
Oh, okay. Where did you go in New Jersey?
I was all over.
Yeah.
So शादी थी ना,
Oh, okay.
शादी में आपके जैसा माहौल नहीं था. Sad है, क्या करें.
Yeah.
पर मुझको पता है ज़्यादा लोग पंजाबी.
now.
We're gonna brush your teeth.
She's gonna brush your teeth again.
Tell me.
She just finished counting, Kavanveer. Now she's gonna brush your teeth.
done my best writing myself.
Well, mine is a different machine, so I'm gonna brush.
Yeah, you brush. He's saying that he brush. No, no, no. This is a brush. Remember the electronic brush we have at home? Yeah, give her your hand. Kavi, she's gonna show you. Yeah, it's just a brush. Look.
Look, it doesn't do. I just tickle
Yeah,
the teeth.
that's it.
See, and this is my paste,
Yeah.
and we just.
Kavi,
brush
toothbrush hai, beta.
I was on my head.
She.
Now I can't put it.
No.
Toothpaste on your nail.
Yeah, Kavi, that's it. She just showed you once. She's not gonna show again and again. You silly boy.
Your head in the middle here. You gotta come here. No, come here. Then you won't.
light.
There you go.
There's a light, Kavi. You need to keep your glasses on.
The light. That always light.
All right. And we're gonna have Mr. Thirsty, so he takes the
You talk too much, Kavanveer.
A dot.
a little bit up. Can you scoot up? There you go.
Good boy.
Awesome.
Right in my eyes.
Close your eyes then. Mhm.
It's just a, she's just brushing your teeth, Kavanveer. So ਹੁਣ ਕੋਈ ਮੋਮੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਣੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ.
We're tickling. We're tickling your teeth.
Oh wow, Kavanveer ਦੇ ਦੰਦ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਹੁਣ. ਹਨਾ ਕਵੀ?
Yeah. Now mom's gonna need some sunglasses. She's gonna have very shiny teeth.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go on the top here. Couple more.
Wait.
Alright. Gentlemen. No, you there? Turn your head this way. There you go. Oh. No, close.
Close your mouth, Kavi.
Not all the way.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, that. And this is just your first cleaning.
Yeah, this is very first cleaning. He
Oh,
came here once, but then he wasn't ready at that time. So doctor was like, she was like, it's okay.
vaccine.
Yeah, this time when Dr. Savita, she sees him, she's gonna be so proud of him.
Yeah.
And wow. Even call me
Give it a
Papa.
kiss. Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. Close. Yay!
Okay, let it go now. Kavi, let it go. Okay, shut the one.
What I do now, Mama?
We're gonna wash them off. How about that?
What?
He's gonna wash your teeth now with water. That's it.
Funny day, Ray. Alright.
I was just crying.
Yeah, Ikamir's first visit was so bad.
I know.
We're gonna hug your teeth.
What hun mean?
I hug my teeth.
What hun mean?
He said, what does
Oh.
hug mean?
It's like hugging.
What is that? You
This is called a floss.
Yeah, she did that to Paji too. Kavi?
It's floss. It's a floss.
Yeah, jida kar floss kar diya na, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Light up in my eyes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I call it hugging my teeth. See, I love these teeth. They're so pretty. We're gonna.
You're doing good. Very good job, Kavanveer.
He's doing great. Kavanveer, Papa ne video dekhi na, Papa's gonna be like, oh boy. Kavanveer sada inna brave hai. He's so
They're gonna
brave.
say he's braver
He's
than
gonna
me.
say, "Who's this kid?" So
Yeah.
good.
Then all the people.
They're gonna be like, oh, that's not Kavanveer.
No.
That's somebody else who's really brave and big boy.
Yeah.
Maybe a 5th grader.
You're 5 years old?
Yeah.
He's gonna be 5 soon.
When
a
is your
month.
birthday?
The artist 80. What
August.
is that?
Give you water?
That Betsy.
That's water. No, no, no. Kavanveer.
This is water.
She's gonna put water in your mouth.
He's not even trying.
Aakar, Kavanveer, aakar. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna suck that water. Let it go now, Kavi. Kavi, shut down.
Okay.
See? How was that?
Not bad.
Not bad. So you are ready for the next visit?
Oh, what
You wanna go on a ride?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Then what I doing now, Mama?
Kavi, stay seated. Wait.
What I doing now,
No,
Mama?
no, no, Kavi,
I
stay
gave you
there,
a
stay
ride.
there. She's giving you a ride. Your chair is going up and down.
That's it. All done.
What do you say to her?
I tell you, I want photo.
Thank you. You want what?
Photo.
Photo. Remember you took x-rays for Kavanveer? He said he wants the same thing. Kavi, next time.
Why I
It's
want
too
see
soon
my,
for
I
that.
want see my teeth.
You wanna see your teeth?
Oh,
Okay. All right.
he has created next step for you.
No, that's okay.
Why is it, Mama?
Kavi, don't put your fingers in your mouth.
Why?
You don't want to put all the germs that's on the chair in your mouth.
What is that?
That remember Paji de मुंह चाप आए थे x-ray and then ਉੱਥੇ ਫਿਰ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ photo ਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ चल बैठ जा ਹੁਣ ਫਿਰ ਤੂੰ photo ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਣੀ ਨਾ ਉੱਥੇ you have to sit there
I think I want my photo.
no she set it up now कभी 1 minute लगना है लम्बा पै जा
I want to stay to Mama.
you wanna sit पर थोड़ा ਜਿਹਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਫਿਰ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਲੈਣਗੇ ਉਹ
Let me see your teeth. Look at those. Beautiful teeth of yours.
Oh, I see.
No, open. There you go.
let's see let me check it oh they're gone they're not there anymore
No, they're coming. Look
oh
at those
look at
teeth.
Kavanveer's teeth now Kavanveer
They're
Look at those-
beautiful shiny teeth now.
Yeah, sure they are.
Yeah. You need to do a better. No, you're gonna keep that on you.
Why?
Dr. Sarita was gonna come and count
Doctor's
your
gonna
teeth.
come and check again.
10?
Yes, he's
Yeah.
gonna count.
Just
See
for
if
one
you
more
got-
second. She's gonna check Paji's too.
First, we're gonna check your. His already here, so she'll check his first and then.
Now.
Ki Kavi?
Open my glasses.
Glasses? Yeah, you can open your glasses now, but then when she comes, then you need to put it back on.
Yep.
She'll come in like.
Oh, Kavanveer is gonna get a prize now.
What you wanna get, right?
Are they books?
Show us what you got for prize. Oh, look at that. Kavanveer is showing his teeth. Kavanveer, you got a pencil too?
Yeah.
Mm. Let me see your face one more time.
तू अपनी बुआ पे जा रहा है बच्चू